So right now, we're throwing dunnage into the foundation to have some sort of platform for those jacks. Because what those jacks are going to do, they're going to lift the house off of that trailer, and we're going to pull the trailer out. So then we can put those seat channels, square tubing, those wood beams, all that stuff to then slide the house over.
That's cool.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna send these seat channels down under the house, and we're gonna drop those jacks onto the seat channel, or onto these rollers. And these rollers allow us to move the house back and forth. So we're gonna slide it all the way across over here. And what this does is if it needs to go back or forth, it allows us to go either way.
That prevents the house from getting bound up, this top roller. So if you don't have this top roller on there, when you're trying to push the house over, the house will bind and it'll actually tweak off the rollers and fall on the ground.
If the two sets of rails aren't perfectly parallel, you mean?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
If they're not, which the house is never parallel to the foundation to begin with, so it'll just get bound up and twist off of the rollers if this top roller isn't on there.
Good job, Nick. Just like I taught you.
Yeah, you know it. Kick it down a little bit, or you think?
Right now, we'll put those brackets up so then we can lift the house enough to lift it off of the rollers down there. Once we lift it off enough to get weight off of the rollers, then we can start pulling out the seat channel, the rollers, those beams, all that stuff can come out, and then we can set the house down on the foundation. But, yeah. Okay.
A little bit more. More. Really good.
Right now, so we have this house set. This box was set yesterday, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna join these two boxes together to make one. But right now we are in the process of setting up the rollers. The C channel's already set. We're very close to dropping the house on the rollers and slide it over and make the house one.
Very cool. How does the seam end up connecting?
What do you mean?
So how do you seal the two halves together?
Oh, you'll use like spray foam, and then there's these ledger lock screws that are like that long. They'll go into the attic. You screw into each side, and then you also go into the crawl space, and you'll see that you'll also screw in big screws like that into the house, and then that will pull it together.